Myanmar, dili man ni imong character.
Dili na siya.
Kinsa ni nga? Kinsa ni nga persona?
Other personality
Oh my
na niya,
God.
mga ikalima, dagoy niya nga personality.
Unsa nga kabubot-on?
Nausahay makaingon ta nga, nganong iali man sila mga magsipaka, uy.
Ngano nagbisaya man ka uy?
Parang nga nagig ka, uy.
Or basin,
Uy, ngano nagbisaya man ka uy? Char.
But believe me, everything that they do is
Murag makarelate ang
for our own
persona.
good. As I
Basit
grow
ka
up,
relate siya, utak ba?
No, di ka
I
ka-relate.
fully understand
Relate
what it's
Kahit
like to
saba
be
kay
parents
bubot ko.
and how they feel. That the only
Ka-relate
thing
lagi
that
na
they
siya
want
mahilak, no?
is what's best for us. Sometimes they would go
I-video
beyond
ito yung
their
paghilak
limits
ends.
just to give us the best opportunities and make sure that we will have the best future.
What future?
They are the reason
Siya ang
why
ako
we're all
future.
here today.
Why?
And so kaninyo nga akong mga ginikanan, today, we reap the initial fruits of our labor
Nasa dito mo
and we
parang-
celebrate it above
Ikaw,
all.
Ibarag na lang dyan
We
gaan
offer
sa
you
iyahang
our
kuan.
success.
We offer to
Kaya
you.
kung patawan ninyo, wala ni sa kung asa mi karon.
Malamong.
We know na dili ka viral sa mga medalya ang inyong mga sakripisyo para kanamo. Pero mao kini ang akong pahalagahan.
Digimon man ang muhilak.
We
Sa
promise
mukang
to
ante.
make you
Sige Paul,
proud.
sige. Kalamig ang
Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for supporting us.
Thank you for the joy you...
Thank you for the sacrifices. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for bringing us
break
up to
yung
be
character.
better individuals, and thank you for loving us.
Isa kay unang muhilak. Ems.
My fellow achievers, life is too short, even when we think that we are taking too long in this world. So, we must spend our lives by loving our parents more. You know, I have something in mind from a book that I've read. This
Sure.
one kept running inside my head and it goes like
Ah,
this.
dagoy ka to, dagoy ka to.
Bot-bot.
May kabit.
Love your parents
Bot.
more and treat them with loving
Ay,
care.
wala na sa
Ha?
For you will only know their value
Citation
when
please.
you
reminder?
see their empty chair.
Citation please.
Higugmaa o panggaa ang inyong
Translator.
mga tingkalan.
Wow.
Samtang kaya pa ninyo
Really?
ibuhaton, samtang naapay chance. Kayo usahay,
Translator.
o di lang din usahay, kundi naaragin sa uwagi ang pagmahay. Usahay, diha na nato makita ang ilang value sa dihang di na nato sila makita.
Running for president.
So kaninyo nga akong maginikanan, we love you so much and salamat kaayo.
Mo tay gipabisaya nagyaw siya kay gipabisaya ni Ma'am Lynn.